Residents of several volatile communities in St. James yesterday welcomed members of the security forces with open arms as the government's latest initiative to quell the parish's rampant lawlessness has started. The operation primarily targets major hotspots such as Rose Heights, Norwood, Flankers, and Cambridge. Well, I think we're all familiar with what's going on in St. James, the state of emergency that was declared by our PM, and the fact that it was actually quite necessary, and the fact that them gone with the Lasco. I'm sorry, I don't mean to make light of a bad situation, but sometimes you have to find the fun in it because the state of affairs is really actually quite serious.
Hey, no, but the Lasco part for it though.
Yeah, I never knew that we would get to a point where Jamaica would be in this state. It just seems that we've completely forgotten ourselves as a people.
I remember when I was in high school, I think it was 2010, the TVJ incursion was going on. And
oh gosh, you just said me how young he is to box cover. Oh. The man said in a school.
Yeah, no one story about that, but when Renata Adams said Jamaica will pay it dearly, and he said it since then, that things would have gone the way they're going now.
Of course.
And that's tough, man.
Of course.
And my thing is this, Sakina, people, somebody knows something.
Of course, always. Don't tell me that nobody knows what's going on.
All the time.
Somebody always is aware of what's going on and who is hiding the gun and who is hiding the man.
And who is coming from where and who's going.
Of course they know. And guess what? You know what? If we continuously support behavior like that, then it's not going to be localized to St. James. This is going to take over the entire island.
And you see different countries sending travel advisories.
Yeah, man. We look bad for international TV people.
I don't think people understand that.
We don't look good. We look bad.
No, man. I don't think people understand.
Tell people don't come here.
Yeah, I don't think people understand that.
Emergency.
Can you imagine someone telling someone not to come to your house?
Yeah, man. Because guess what? Them
father and them mother, them
father and them mother really war all the time, and you might get a lick out when
exactly.
You go. You will look bad,
fix up that, man.
We look very bad.
And it's so bad that classes were disrupted at St. Jago. That's how bad crime is getting.
Wow.
So classes were disrupted at St. Jago in Spanish Town on Thursday as gunshots rang out in the vicinity of the institution. A team from the police's community safety and security branch and members of the clergy in Spanish Town were on the scene to provide counseling for the affected students and teachers. Now, back to my 2010 story. We were doing CAPE, and we were in the room close to the Heroes Circle.
Yeah.
And gunshot of fire across Heroes Circle. And we in at the exam.
You passed?
Yeah, we passed. We had to pass.
Just want to make sure say they
Let me tell you why we passed. When my invigilator duck in, the man them stays up. Who have the answer for it?
Don't tell us this! Oh my
it's true.
gosh!
It's true.
Ladies and gentlemen, I was not aware of any of this. I don't want to hear anymore because I'm not prison.
Hey,
no.
I think it was MOB. Yeah, man. Management of business. Yeah, man. And the man them say, oh, yeah, pay answer.
So the invigilator don't understand.
Yeah, man. But it's serious thing. Serious.
I don't know if as a people we are trying to find the best in each other. I think now we've gotten to a point where it's commonplace.
Yeah.
It's commonplace. Oh, gunshot of fire. Oh, all right, cool. I see one video the other day on the internet. Gunshot of fire, and the man, we see me, walk on up there, so my
the gunshot, you know.
Walk on up there, so my lad. And I saw him go to
and a woman say, you know, you're gunshot of fire.
Gunshot of fire. Walk on, my
and he's
walk just going towards it because guess what? He wants a video of what's happening.
It's become so normalized, and the content, it numbs us.
Yeah, man. And little by little, we're losing our humanity. So, 2 people died today, oh there. 10 people died tomorrow, oh wow. 20 people died, boy, this is really baddy, and that's just
100 people died this month.
Not new.
It becomes normal.
Come Jamaica, clean up yourself. Yeah. Clean up yourself. And it starts from the smallest, from the lowest point, from the simplest thing. Cussing off somebody in traffic. That is, I mean, guys, let's try today to be our calmest selves. Can we do that?
Well, I was reading the Gleaner and I was talking about the 14 and 15-year-olds who are a major part of crime.
Yeah, man, you never hear the woman say, him might look young, but him. She have to run with her, She can't sit down there again.
How did we get to this point? That's the thing, you know.
I don't know, darling, but it's a mix-up. It's a mix-up and blend of so many different things. Anyway, next up, Dr. Henry Lowe is holding to the commitment to go public with his medical marijuana firm. Medical JA Limited at the annual Investments and Capital Market Conference hosted by the Jamaica Stock Exchange, Lowe said his biomedical research company has a high store of goodwill among members of the public, and he wants to capitalize on that. So, we're finally at that point. You're happy about that?
I'm Marvin. Marvin here a while. Marvin said yes.
We're finally at that point. Yeah. Rebel Salute the other day when they had the herb curve. And now we're actually at the point now where we're using marijuana medically. I mean, so many places in the world that have far skyrocketed past us in this
we allow it for topic. It's just like a lot of things here. We allow other people to capitalize on it.
Yeah.
Like marijuana is a big business, you know.
Yeah, it is.
Don't abuse it.
Well, now we're gonna have medical marijuana, and cataracts, glaucoma, all of those things are treatable. They say asthma is treatable by use of marijuana. I'm not smoking it.
Yeah, can you drink marijuana? Can you drink marijuana
and all of that stuff. So let's see how well that goes, and let's see how we can incorporate that into our day-to-day livity.
Yeah, so remember, my mother tells me my uncle used to give me marijuana tea.
You are making a lot of confessions this morning. I'm wondering, what did you have to eat or drink before you got here?
My confessions aren't like Brown's confessions. My confessions aren't like Brown's confessions.
Oh, you mean Brown one about the two of them?
Yes.
Yeah, Brown, we know you about the two of them. We hear your toes. Let's know your thoughts at Smile Jam TVJ. That's it for Trending Topics. Yes, Brown. No.
What we do now, information you think on your own, or else you're a slave to the things that you know. What do you know if you learn every day? So be careful of things where you say.